There's been a change in me, a kind of moving on. Though what I used to be, I still depend upon. Now I realize that good can come from bad, that may not make me wise, but oh, it makes me glad, and I never thought I'd leave behind my childhood dreams, but I don't mind. For now I love the world I see. No change of heart, a change in me. For in my dark despair, I slowly understood my perfect world out there had disappeared for good. But in its place I feel a truer life begin. And it's so good and real, it must come from within. And I never thought I'd leave behind my childhood dreams, but I don't mind. For now I love the world I see. No change of heart, a change in me. No change of heart, a change in me.
She got there at the end.
Gabrielle, how are you doing? Very good. Thank you for coming out and stepping out onto the stage. For someone as young as you guys, this is really, really brave of you guys coming out and doing this. So bravo to you for that. Super. Now, I'm wondering a little bit about the song choice. I think it's a really great one about childhood dreams and that kind of thing. I'm just wondering if maybe if there was a song that you knew better or that you were more comfortable with, or I'm just wondering if you're maybe not as comfortable with this song. I'm not so sure. How are you with that?
I'm just really nervous.
Just about the nerves. Yeah, okay. Totally understandable. Well, thank you, Gabby. Thanks.
Yeah, sorry. I feel pretty much the same way. I just seemed a little nervous about the song. I like your shoes. But yeah, I can tell you're really pushing your voice. That was really great.
Yeah, I think the advice for the 12 and under girls is going to come out being a lot the same, because this is really some of your first experiences to get up on stage, and that is a really difficult, challenging thing to overcome. I think you knew that song better than you thought you knew it. You brought out your sheet music, and I've done that before too, but I really think you did have it memorized. And So I think you just need to believe in yourself and believe in your own ability and memorization. And yeah, I know you had Joseph and the amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat there, which is one of the great musicals. What song were you thinking of having from there?
Any Dream will do. I'm just going to sing it a cappella.
Yeah, that would absolutely be great to hear if they're up. The other judges are up for that. So you know what? I want you to just shake out your nerves. Just let them all go. Just whew, and you know what? And just get up and do it. And you're here in a great supportive audience. There's so many parents and friends here that have people here that are going through the same thing as you, and we're not too scary, I don't think. So just enjoy it and have fun. We'd like to hear another song. That'd be great.
I close my eyes, drew back the curtain to see for certain what I thought I knew. Far, far away, someone was weeping, but the world was sleeping. Any dream will do. I wore my coat with golden lining, bright colors shining, wonderful and new. And in the east, the dawn was breaking, and the world was waking. Any dream will do. A crash of drums, a flash of light, my golden coat flew out of sight. The colors faded into darkness. I was left alone. May I return to the beginning. The light is dimming, and the dream is too. The world and I, we are still waiting, still hesitating. Any dream will do.
Thank you. There we go. That's definitely more coming from your heart, and we're definitely getting more of you out of that. So thank you for putting down your sheet music and really believing in yourself a little bit more. That was beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, that was superb.
Yeah, it was good to see you come out. It just takes a couple songs to, get used to being on the stage. It's a pretty intimidating hall to be in for your first time, too. Yeah, the only thing is, singing a cappella is really difficult, and I don't know if you maybe started a little bit higher than you intended to, which is fine, it happens. My recommendation when you're practicing this is find a note and start on it, and partway through each time, just check where you are in relation, because that'll really help you, and the ability to sing solo a cappella will do you really, really well to be able to do that and get that sense of the tune, but you're well on your way to figuring that out. So that's great. Thanks so much.
Don't worry, it's not another mic change. I'm just going to keep this one going. So give it up one more time for Gabrielle. So next up,